Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of forgiveness. Actually guys, every one of us needs to forgive our neighbor. But depends on the nature of the offense or sins that is being committed to us. But again, forgiveness brings peace to everyone. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of forgiveness. Forgiveness is important because it promotes emotional healing, reduces stress, and improves mental and physical health. It strengthens relationships, fosters personal growth, and breaks the cycle of resentment. By forgiving, people can let go of negative emotions, develop empathy, and create a more peaceful and harmonious environment both personally and socially. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of forgiveness. I hope that you will learn something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.